Ever wondered why some people seem to have it all, while others struggle throughout life? Welcome to Financial Literacy, where we shed light on the secrets behind wealth accumulation. Robert Kiyosaki, the genius behind Rich Dad, Poor Dad, introduced us to the notion of the cash flow quadrant. He beautifully captures the contrast between the financially independent and those chained to a paycheck. But what sets them apart? 1. Business creation. It's easy to be entranced by tales of billionaires like Elon Musk or Mark Zuckerberg. But remember, their wealth didn't sprout overnight. Building a successful business demands dedication and grit. While employees tirelessly work to make ends meet, entrepreneurs craft assets, turning their time-intensive endeavors into constant revenue streams. This doesn't just secure their future, but also leaves a legacy for generations to come. 2. The power of real estate. For those wary of the uncertainties of entrepreneurship, real estate presents a golden opportunity. Robert Kiyosaki's philosophy of leveraging other people's money comes into play here. Acquiring rental properties, when done strategically, not only covers your expenses, but offers an additional income source. And let's not forget the tax benefits. The more properties you gather under your belt, the closer you inch toward genuine financial independence. 3. Investing in paper assets. Business and real estate might seem daunting due to their initial investments. But there's another way. Disciplined investment in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. These allow you to benefit from other thriving businesses without navigating the challenges of owning one. 4. Commodity investments. The fluid value of paper currency can be unsettling. That's why savvy investors diversify with commodities like gold, silver, and oil. Their lasting value provides a safeguard against inflation and economic downturns. 5. Time. Your prime asset. Time's fleeting. Nature makes it invaluable. Starting early on, investments, self-improvement, or even just a side passion can lead to unforeseen opportunities. Remember, even Warren Buffett encourages starting young. 6. Prioritizing health. All the money in the world is of little use if you're not in the best of health to enjoy it. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding detrimental habits not only enhance your quality of life, but also reduce future medical expenses. 7. Tapping into the online world. Digital platforms, from YouTube to blogs, offer cost-effective ways to monetize skills. As you grow your online presence, potential avenues for revenue, like affiliate marketing, unveil themselves. 8. Leveraging your network. Good work speaks for itself, but a recommendation amplifies its volume. Whether you're running a catering business or a consultancy, networking can scale your clientele exponentially. As you navigate your financial journey, you might wonder, why is financial freedom important? Isn't it just about leading a life of luxury? Let's debunk some myths and dig deeper. Understanding financial freedom. At its core, financial freedom is about choices. Imagine wanting to switch careers, support a cause, or even take an extended vacation without the looming dread of financial constraints. Financial freedom allows you to make decisions based on passion and purpose, rather than financial need. The broader impact of financial freedom. 1. Enhanced quality of life. Financial freedom paves the way for a holistic life. With your finances under control, the stress and anxiety linked to debts and bills wane. The emotional and mental bandwidth gained can be channelized into fulfilling endeavors, like exploring hobbies or spending more time with loved ones. 2. Increased opportunities for giving. Wealth accumulation isn't just for personal gains. Philanthropists like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett have proven that immense wealth can have a significant impact on global issues. By achieving financial freedom, you too can contribute to causes dear to your heart, creating ripple effects that extend far beyond your immediate circle. 3. Lifelong learning and growth. With a secure financial footing, you can invest in personal and professional growth. Whether it's taking courses, attending workshops, or traveling to gain worldly experiences, the world becomes your oyster. As the saying goes, the more you learn, the more you earn. Diving deeper into asset building. While we've touched on essential assets, let's delve deeper into some lesser-known yet equally critical facets. 1. Emergency funds. Before diving into investments, it's crucial to have an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Be it medical emergencies, sudden job losses, or unexpected repairs, having a safety net ensures that you're never forced into debt during unforeseen crises. 2. Insurance. A comprehensive insurance portfolio, including health, life, and property insurance, ensures that life's uncertainties don't derail your financial journey. While it might seem like an unnecessary expense today, the future might hold moments where you'll be grateful for that foresight. 3. Financial education. The financial world is vast and ever-evolving. Continuously educating yourself ensures that you make informed decisions. Books, online courses, seminars, or even a financial advisor can be invaluable assets on your journey. 4. The power of compounding. Albert Einstein allegedly termed compound interest as the eighth wonder of the world. Starting investments early, even if they're small, can lead to exponential growth over time due to the magic of compounding. It's not about the amount, but the duration it's invested. 5. Diversification. Don't place all your eggs in one basket. By spreading investments across various assets, you mitigate risks. If one investment faces a downturn, others might thrive, balancing your portfolio. Tackling debt. The anti-asset debt is the antithesis of financial freedom. Understanding good debt, like mortgages or student loans, versus bad debt, like credit card debt, can shape your financial future. By managing and eliminating bad debt, you free up resources that can be redirected towards wealth-building assets. Maintaining financial freedom. Once achieved, maintaining financial freedom requires consistent vigilance. Here's how. 1. Budgeting. Even with ample wealth, it's essential to budget. A well-planned budget ensures that you allocate resources effectively, making sure every dollar is used purposefully. 2. Regular financial check-ins. Set aside time, perhaps quarterly or annually, to review your financial portfolio. Adjust investments, consider new opportunities, and realign strategies based on economic changes. 3. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. Just because you can afford a more luxurious lifestyle doesn't mean you should indulge in one. Keeping your expenses in check, even when income rises, can help preserve financial freedom. 4. Building passive income streams. Diversify your income sources. Whether it's real estate, dividends from stocks, or a side business, passive income ensures money flows in even when you're not actively working. 5. Continuous learning. The financial realm evolves continuously. By staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and technologies, you can optimize your strategies and ensure the longevity of your wealth. In essence, financial freedom isn't just a state of wealth, it's a mindset. It's about equipping yourself with the knowledge and tools to make intelligent financial decisions. And while the journey might be challenging, the destination, where money serves you instead of you serving money, is worth every ounce of effort. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder: if you're finding this content valuable, consider subscribing to Financial Literacy for more insights. To conclude, financial freedom isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about creating avenues for passive income and ensuring that you're protected against unforeseen financial hiccups. In doing so, you don't just enrich your life, but also pave the way for future generations. So don't wait. Begin today. Educate yourself, make informed decisions, and work towards a secure financial future. And always remember to like and subscribe to Financial Literacy for more insightful content.